Hello friends, today we are going to solve a leetcode problem, that is problem number 101701, average waiting time. If you directly want to see the code, then this is our code, you can see it. And to if you want to know about the question and haven't read the question till now, then the question is that we have given a 2D array named as customers, in which first element is the arrival time of the customer, and the second is the time taken by the dish to be prepared by the chef. These two things are given, and we have to calculate the average waiting time by the each customer to be wait in the restaurant. We have to calculate that time, and before we calculate this, then we can see that this problem is very much similar to the first come first serve problem in operating system. You can relate directly to that problem. First come first serve algorithm. So let's see how we can approach to this problem. We have given this data. If we analyze that, then the first customer arrive at the first second, and it's let's suppose first minute, and it's this take preparation this will be prepared in 2 minutes by the chef. The second customer will come at the second minute, and its dish will take 5 minutes to be prepared. If we see it on a number line, timeline, then let's assume here is 0 and here is 1. First customer appears at here, and its food will be served for 2 minutes. Then it will be 3, comma 2. The second customer arrive at second minute, and its order take 5 minutes to complete. So but here we have given a constant that the chef will be preparing one food at one time. So the chef will prepare the food of the second customer after he finishes the preparation of the food of first customer. Then that means he will start preparing the food of second customer from 3, and it will go up to the 5 seconds. Let's say it comes to here, and the time taken, then the time will be right now is 8 minutes. Before the 8 minutes, we have seen that there is another customer number 3, which arrived at the 4 minutes, and its food will be served in 3 minutes. And our chef is busy. It will be free after 8 minutes. Then he will invest his time to prepare the food for the third customer. So for adding 3, then he will add in here 3, and it will reach to the 11. From here we can see that the food of the first customer when he arrived is 1 minute, and he will be served at the 3rd minute. Then the time waited by him is 2 minutes, and for second customer he arrived at 2 minutes and his food is served at 8th minute, then his total waiting time is 8 minus 2, that is 6 minutes. And for the third customer, he arrived at the 11th, he arrived at the 4th minute, and his food is served to him at 11th minute. The average waiting time for him is 11 minus 4, that is 7 minutes. And the total time taken by the total waiting time for each of the customer by adding each customer's waiting time will be 15, and we have to calculate the average waiting time. So we will divide the total number of customer that we have. In this case we have 3 customers, then we will divide it by 3, and we get the result our 5. Note that the question is also saying that we have to print the result precisely up to 10 raised to power minus 5 units. Okay, so for precision we use double is actually precise the results up to the 14 decimals, but we need only 10 raised to power minus 5, then it's okay. This is our basically we have understood the first example. Let's see we can build an algorithm from it, how we can build an algorithm from it. Okay, this is this. First we will see that the first we have made a timeline. We note that we have made a timeline, and here we are doing our calculations, and from this, with the help of this timeline, can we calculate, can we make a algorithm from it. Then if we closely see, then we make a variable name as counter, which counts which will be responsible for each customer to say that let's suppose is which will tell the chef that basically counter will store a time at which the chef will start preparing the customer for the ith customer food, ith customer dish. Basically the counter is storing the time where he will start preparing the food for the ith customer. Let's see it somehow we find the a variable find the starting time of the preparing of the dish of the ith customer, and then we add the time taken by the chef to prepare his meal. Then we subtract its that the final answer we will get is serve time. Then we subtract the serve time from its arrival time, and the net time we will get is the waiting time. Serve time minus its arrival time will be the waiting time. If you didn't understand, then I can help you to understand from the code. First of all, what we are doing, we are making a counter which stores the information about the when the chef will start preparing the dish of the ith customer. Let's suppose the chef wants to make the dish of the first customer at the first unit of time. Then counter will store here information is how he will store the information, and basically this will be the max of the uh, previous customers uh, serving means preparing time, start preparing time, and the finish time, last customers finish time, and the IS customers starting time, arrival time. It will be the max of these two. The serve time will be the addition of the its starting time plus time taken by the dish of the ith customer to be prepared by the chef. The serve time, then we will subtract the serve time from the customer's arrival time, we will get overall waiting time, and we are adding the waiting time simultaneously to our to find our total waiting time by the each customer, by each and every customer in this who is coming into the restaurant. So we are adding it into the res, and then we calculate the res, and after calculating the res we are dividing by the total size, total number of customers that come into the restaurant, so that we can get an average waiting time, and hence finally we are printing the result. This is the basic solution of this problem. I hope you have understand this problem very well. Thank you. Bye.